New series alert. That's right. I'm going to go through my whole collection from top, y'all see it back there, down to the bottom to let y'all know what I got. Stay tuned. What's good, party people? It's your boy Court. Just another fragrance review should be sprinkling across the screen as we speak. Before we get into some business, let's get into some business. Follow me on my things at Court MC on Instagram and Twitter. The Twitter. The real JAFR on TikTok. Again, I know I need to post more on TikTok. I know I do. Will eventually. I will. Once I figure it out, man. It's a hard nut to crack, per se. My face is itching. Like I said, I'm gonna go through my whole collection and basically let y'all know what I got from top to bottom and whatnot. We'll start at the top and just work our way down. We're gonna make it a series of videos. So stay tuned, man. If you're new here, like I said, my name is Court. Kind of in the title, man. We review fragrances, but we also talk about how to buy, where to buy, what not to spend on said fragrances. Wash your ass, put on lotion, put on deodorant, brush your teeth, man, because it's all about the presentation. I'm glad you're here. If you're here for the first time, you see that little button down there, it's probably red right now. Just go on in, hit that joint for your boy, hit the bell so you know when I post new videos. This joint was actually a topic that was brought to my attention, I want to say like 6 months ago. And the guy's name that did it, I assume, guy, name who commented and said I should do it, name is Saad. And Saad, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry it took so long, man. Great idea. We're going to go ahead and get into it in just a second. Just wanted to kind of get the business out the way before the video cut. And I'm standing up in front of the case. And I'll let y'all know where I got the case from and all that good stuff, too. So stay tuned. Okay, I'm back. Video cut out a little bit. As you can see, I'm standing in front of my case. We'll just go ahead and go down. I'm also doing this by hand, so if it's a little shaky, I'm sorry. But don't pay attention to the mess on the desk. It just is what it is. You know what I'm saying? Like its natural state of being is to have just crap on it. Anyway, so this is a case where I keep all my fragrances at. I actually got this joint from IKEA, I believe. And we're going to start on this tier right here. Up here, I just got, just random stuff, decants, samples that I got, and, fragrances that didn't make the cut as far as being on it. I'm planning on getting another case. This joint, when I bought it, was like $59.99. Now it's like $80. Thanks, IKEA. Anyway, we'll start on this first tier. Right here. Some of these joints you probably recognize from like videos that I did. You got, and I'm not going to go like deep into the notes or, whatever about them. Just kind of give a brief overview of each fragrance that's up here. Not really going to take them out and show the presentation because it's a, chore to get them back in. Anyway, so as you can see, right here we got Excellent Le Musc Intense. This is a Parfums Finish joint. It's their version of Bleecker Street by Bond Number 9. You got Seahorse. Got the new joint. One of the new joints, sort of, in my collection is MFK's Gentle Fluidity Silver. The video is down there. Y'all see my finger where it's pointing at. All right. Next to that, you got Interfuse. Interfuse is by Parfums Vintage. It's a mix-up of or mash-up of Erofa and Elysium, Rose of Dove. Really dope, man. Highly suggest you check that joint out if you haven't. It's dope. Great for the summer and warmer months. You got Carte Blanche by Navitus. This one's dope. Dope fragrance, cardamom in it, so that's the reason why I got it. Next to that, you got Amouage Reflection, and you got Navitus Abe, Obey, however you want to say it, is now called Lyric. Also has Cardamom in it. That's the Bowtie Fragrance guys joint with them. And this one is Monica. Can't remember what her last name is, but she's also a YouTuber. Behind it, let me get this out the way real quick so you can see it. You got Laon Prada. That joint, absolutely dope. One of the ones that get talked about a lot in the community because of the lipstickiness in it, because of the iris. If you haven't checked it out, please do. It's dope. Behind or next to that, let me get this out the way. You got Red Book Parfums. That's Stephen Red from Red Lessons and Brooker Fragrance Lover, Carlos's fragrance. Cop that when Carlos unfortunately passed. You know what I'm saying? Definitely miss one of those dudes that made me want to get into the review game. Next to that, get that out the way real quick. You got Al Harmin Amber Oud Rouge. And this joint is the dupe, clone, whatever you want to call it, of Baccarat Rouge 540 straight. It's pretty dope, man. Ring about $50. I definitely think it's worth checking out if you haven't checked out. But that's the first tier to my collection. Like I said, I got, what, 4? Which y'all saw earlier in the videos. Let me switch hands. Gone down to the ground. So yeah, there's gonna be 3 more of these joints, maybe 4. Because like I said, up here, I got all my samples and bottles that didn't necessarily fit on displays. Now I have my joints set up on, as y'all can see, these little stands. These are cupcake stands that I got from Amazon. I think it's like $15 for like 3 of them. And yeah, I could probably get, well, I definitely could get more fragrances in here if I didn't want them sitting on the stand, but I kind of wanted them sitting on the stand so I can see exactly, you know, what the fragrance was and what I'm looking at and not knock stuff over, even though I still knock stuff over when I, bring stuff out. But that's the first tier. We'll do the next tier in the next couple of days coming up here so y'all can see the whole collection. That's all. Y'all got a snapshot of it, but we'll talk about each fragrance a little bit. So stay tuned. Going back to my seat now. All right, back in the seat. Hopefully there was like some cool star wipe or something like that that came through on the video when, making these transitions. Note to, future court when editing these joints. Anyway, that's the first tier, man. As you saw, you got that Prada joint. You got Al Harmin. You got, what else? Red Brook. A couple of Parfums Vintage. Armage, Seahorse. And probably something else that I'm missing up there too. I said I'm gonna do this joint in a series. I'm gonna go from tier to tier. I'm also shooting, handheld on my phone. So like I said, pardon the shakiness if there's any, muffling because my big ass hand is covering, the mic or whatnot. But yeah, so that's the first tier of Quartz Collection brought to you by nobody. Anyway, or by myself because I pay for everything. Anyway, man, definitely appreciate y'all watching, man. Thank y'all for rocking with me, man. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed already, share with your peoples. Don't you dare let your peoples be funky when you can send them to your boy. Yeah, be on the lookout for the next ones, man. I love y'all, man. Be easy. Have a good weekend. Today is Saturday. Y'all should be getting this on Sunday. Also, yeah, listen to the podcast. New episode coming this weekend, too. So be on the lookout for that also. We ain't found on everything. Apple, Google, Amazon, Spotify, iHeart, all the stuff, man. You can find us there, man. Check us out. Definitely appreciate y'all, man. See you in the next one. Love you.